Hi there, my name is Manny. Today I'm doing the oil change on 2024 Nissan Kicks. So first I'm gonna shut off the engine, lift it up the vehicle on the hoist. Now I will take out the drain plug. It takes 14mm socket. This drain plug has aftermarket drain plug washer. Doesn't have rubber in it. It's all get worn out. That's why it's hard to take it off. Also, somebody over torqued the bolt before. Here I'm draining the oil. Oil condition is good, not that dirty. Last oil change is not done that long before. Now I will take out the engine oil filter. After that I will let the engine oil draining until it's dripping. Now all the oil drained out. Now I will change the drain plug washer and torque the plug. I will make sure the drain plug threads are properly cleaned. Now I'm putting drain plug in it. Now I'm going to tighten the drain plug. Now I'm installing the new engine oil filter. I just put little bit oil on the rubber seal. Now I'm doing little bit cleaning. All the oil residue must be clean. Now I'm putting the engine oil in it. This engine does take 0W20 4 liters. This is small engine, doesn't take that much engine oil. I'm using 0W20 synthetic oil. So I put around 4.1 liter of 0W20. Now I'm topping up the washer fluid. I already checked the engine coolant level. Coolant level is good, so no need to top it up. Now I'm cleaning out the valve cover. That's it. Super easy. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.